How to buy business assets, not using your money. It's not a big mystery, but it is a mystery on the steps on how you actually buy things for your business and you don't use your own money. So we first have to define what it means not to use your own money. Your own money is money that you earned going to your job or some type of in exchange for some type of service or something that goes into your personal bank account. If you haven't separated your business and your personal yet, which many of you hopefully should have. But using your own money is simply that. Your own money, your savings, stuff out of your own checking and things like that. It's that simple. Using other people's money, or what's prominently known as O.P.M, is using loans, credit card, pretty much anything that somebody else gives you that they say that you're going to have to pay it back. Once you master that ability to use somebody else's money, your own money will actually double and triple in value, because you can then leverage your own money to simply make those monthly payments. Now, what you do is, how do you buy assets using other people's money? Well, there's a step-by-step process. And before we get off into the heavier stuff, which is a lot more videos and much quicker than this, here's the step-by-step process. You have to start off getting business vendor credit. That's the easiest thing to do. Those are with basic, simple vendors like Staples, Uline. There's a whole list of them that will actually start you to get that business credit. And once you start to get that business credit, these companies that you deal with, they have to report that to what's called Dun & Bradstreet. And that's just simply the credit report for your business. Once you're able to establish an 85 paydex score with that, I know I'm cramming a lot in, but we can go deeper into this by going to www.businesscreditbuilder.co, not .com, but .co. But once you get an 85 paydex score in your Dun & Bradstreet, then these vendors will actually start to contact you. And it's all kinds. It's Dell for computers. It's cars. You'll start to be able to pick up cars after a certain length of time, and you build your credit up to a certain level. You'll start to pick up cars. You'll start to be able to pretty much buy anything you want for your business. You can then consider that an asset, because once you start reporting that on filing on your taxes and stuff, all that stuff becomes a write-off. So you actually get more money. So that's how you're able, in a quick nutshell, because it's much deeper than this, to actually buy some business assets, things that you use to make more money. That's what an asset is. It's not something that depreciates. An asset is something that you use to make more money. Once you master the ability to purchase these things that make you more money without you spending your money, you're on the road to riches.